1830. 24th of August.
The person who received the church.
Because it was before the treaty.
That was before the treaty. It was before the treaty.
Yeah, it's 1820. So
it might be the 1820s.
And he brought it to New Zealand. The missionaries came here to New Zealand. Oh no, yep, 1800.
Maalan kong pwede no. Ano fa phone mai? Malama. Emo.
Mali tua tanu ma fili.
Oi lu missionary. Olon ne son.
So wow.
Sa tanu le no. Wa tsalia.
Hey.
Maria Joa. Vai.
That's all I'm not to see that.
Let's go. That's enough.